You will now affirm your intent to marry by gifting a ring to one another.
I, Lauren, take thee, Noah, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part.
Do you?
I do.
I, Noah, take thee, Lauren, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part.
Do you?
I do.
Noah and Lauren have declared their intent of commitment to one another, as witnessed by all of us. But as one of our central themes today is unity, let's remember that we too stand as companion, source of warmth and shelter to the two of them. And so, let's all declare our commitment to them in turn. Noah and Lauren will not live in isolation. We, their community of family and friends, have responsibility to this couple. So, do you who are present here today vow to surround Noah and Lauren in love, offer you them their friendship, and support them in this marriage?
Yeah.
Noah and Lauren, as you step forward as a married couple, you have our sincerest wishes for a life that's filled with care, trust, and commitment, one in which you are always consoled by the support of your fiercest defender and your closest friend. There's so much joy ahead of you, and we are honored to be able to share in it, particularly today. Now, just a few words left to say. By the power vested in me by the state of Utah, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.